Hello students and welcome to my channel. So students, today we are going to start with linear equation in two variable part 3. We have already discussed part 1 and part 2 video. In part 1 video, we have discussed the solutions of linear equation, how to solve linear equation, that is substitution, elimination and cross multiplication. In part 2 video, we have discussed the conditions and reducible linear equations, how to solve it. And this is the part 3 video in which we'll be discussing how to solve a problem. So see, there are varieties of problems which comes. That is, one comes the simple problem. Like I have already written over here. The question is cost of 5 orange and 3 apple. So it's very simple. The cost of 5 orange and 3 apple is rupees 35. Cost of 2 orange and 4 apple is rupees 28. Find the cost of an orange and an apple. This is a type of simple problem. One problem comes related to the age of a person. Third is fraction, that is numerator upon denominators. And fourth comes related to the digits, that is tens and unit place. And fifth is upstream and downstream. So one by one we'll be discussing each problem. So this is the first problem, that is simple problem I have written over here. So now we'll be solving this question. So see, the question is cost of 5 orange and 3 apple is rupees 35. And cost of 2 orange and 4 apple is rupees 28. So find the cost of an orange and an apple. देखिए अब वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि 5 ऑरेंज एंड 3 एप्पल की कॉस्ट दे दी एंड 2 ऑरेंज एंड 4 एप्पल की कॉस्ट दे हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन. नाउ दे आर सेइंग अस टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ एन ऑरेंज एंड एन एप्पल. So we'll assume over here, let cost of orange, an orange, we'll write over here an orange be x. Similarly, cost of an apple be y. Now according to question, first condition क्या है? 5 orange and 3 apple. अगर 1 orange की cost है x, तो 5 orange की क्या हो जाएगी? 5x plus 3 apple. So 1 orange is y, so 3 apple, 3y equals 35. Similarly, the second condition what they have given us, cost of 2 orange, so it will be 2x because 1 orange का x है, and 4 apple, so it will be 4y. The equation will be 2x plus 4y equal 28. Now this is first equation and this is second equation, and we have already discussed how to solve this linear equations. So I'll be solving this linear equation by elimination method. Elimination method में हम क्या करते थे? x या फिर y किसी के भी coefficients को will bring out to be same. So I'm bringing out here the coefficients of x to be same. यहाँ पर x का coefficient 2 है. So I'll multiply equation 1 by 2, and in equation 1 the coefficient of x is 5. So I'll be multiplying equation 2 by 5. So the new equations which I'll be getting over here will be 10x, 2 सबसे multiply होगा, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 35 into 2 70. Similarly 5 into 2 10x, 5 into 4 20y, 5 into 28 5 into 8 40, 4 carry, so we'll get 140. Then the sign will be changed. Here it is plus, so it will come up to minus, and here it is plus minus, again minus. So this will be cancelled out, and here we'll get minus 14y. Thus here we'll get what? Minus 140 plus 70. So we'll get over here minus 70. So the value of y will be 70 by 40. This minus and this minus will be plus. So 14 into 5 is 70. So value of y will be what? 5. Now putting in any of the equation, either first, second, or this third or this fourth equation, will put the values of y over there. We will get the value of x. 5x plus 3y. 3 into 5 equals 35. 5x equal 35 minus 15. So 5x is 20. Thus x will be what? 4. So we have got the answer, and answer is cost of an orange. Cost of orange is 4 rupees for an orange. एक ऑरेंज की कॉस्ट निकालनी थी. And cost of an apple is rupees 5. So this is how we'll solve this linear. This is how we'll solve the problems related to the linear equation. So the next question related to age is 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Now, what देखिए यहाँ पे हमको दो conditions they'll always mention. यहाँ पर दो conditions क्या दी है? One is 5 years ago and the second condition is 10 years later. तो what will assume? हम नूरी की प्रेजेंट एज यहाँ पर अज्यूम करेंगे. लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ नूरी एंड सोनू बी x and y. Now according to question, two conditions are given. One is 5 years ago. अगर प्रेजेंट एज x है तो 5 years ago मतलब 5 साल पहले क्या एज रही होगी, तो विल सब्ट्रैक्ट माइनस फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स. 5 years ago नूरी वॉज व्हाट? x minus 5 एंड सोनू की क्या एज रही होगी? y minus 5. नाउ व्हाट इज द कंडीशन गिवन? 5 years ago नूरी वॉज थ्राइस as old as सोनू. सो नूरी की एज क्या है? x minus 5 is thrice of y minus 5. So we'll solve this equation. 3y minus 15. Thus we'll get x minus 3y equal minus 10. So this is the first equation. Similarly, second condition which they have given us is 10 years later. अब 10 years later का मतलब है कि 10 साल बाद. So what is the age of Noori after 10 years? So Noori age will be x plus 10. And Sonu age will be y plus 10. Now what is the condition which they have given? 10 years later, Noori will be twice. यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं Noori इसका डबल हो जाएगा. It means x plus 10 is twice of y plus 10. So we'll solve over here. 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y will get 10 over here. This is the second equation. Now, on solving first and second equation, the first equation was x minus 3y equals 10 and the second minus 10, and the second equation is x minus 2y equals 10. Since coefficients are same over here, so we'll not multiply anything over here, we'll only change the sign. Here it is plus, so it became minus. Here it is minus, so it will be plus, and here it is plus, so it will be minus. Thus we'll cancel out this. So minus y equal minus 20. Thus y is equals to 20. That is present age of Sonu is 20. Putting the value of y in any of the equation, either in first or in second. So I'm putting y equals 20 in equation number 2. Thus what I'll get? X minus 2 into 20 equal 10. X minus 40 equal 10. Thus x is equals to 50. So answer is what? Noori age. Noori is 20-year-old. Sorry, Noori is 50-year-old and Sonu is 20-year-old. So we have seen the example that is related to the ages of a person. Now the question related to the fraction is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is fraction? देखिए, I'm again and again repeating that everywhere in the question they give you two conditions. So what are the two conditions now which they have given in this question? The one condition is adding 1 to the numerator and subtracting 1 from denominator, fraction reduces to 1. This is one condition. And then the second condition, it becomes, that means fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Now we have to find out what is the fraction. So we'll assume let the fraction is always in the form of numerator upon denominator. So we'll assume let the fraction be x by y. Now according to the question, first condition क्या है? 1 adding to the numerator and subtracting 1 from denominator. तो x में 1 add कर दिया and denominator में 1 minus कर दिया. Fraction reduces to 1. So we'll solve this. X plus 1 equal y minus 1. Thus we'll get the equation. Y को इधर shift करेंगे 1 को उधर, तो x minus y equal minus 2 will get. This is first equation. Second condition which they gave was again according to question only. क्या दिया है? Fraction becomes 1 by 2. ये fraction हो जाता है 1 by 2. कब? If we only add 1 to denominator. तो numerator is x, only adding 1 to the denominator. Again we'll do the cross multiplication, मतलब cross multiply करेंगे. So 2x is equals to y plus 1. Equation will be 2x minus y equal 1. This is second equation. Now we'll solve first and second equation. Now we'll be solving this equation by substitution method. So from first, मतलब first equation में से हम x की value find कर रहे हैं. x is equals to what? Minus 2 plus y. First में से हमने x की value निकाली. Putting x equal minus 2 plus y in equation number 2. इसमें put करते हैं. तो इक्वेशन नंबर 2 है क्या? 2x माइनस वाई इक्वल 1. तो 2 इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस वाई माइनस वाई इक्वल 1. सो विल गेट माइनस 4 प्लस 2y माइनस y इक्वल 1. Thus this 4 will be shifted to that side. So we'll get y is equals to 5. अब y is equals to 5, we can put in this first equation, we can put in second equation, or we can put over here also. So putting y equal 5 in equation number 1, thus x minus 5 equals 2 minus 2. So x will be 3. So अगर हमको आंसर बताना है कि what is our answer, answer is fraction is what? X by y. So the fraction will be 3 by 5. So this is a question related to the fraction, that is numerator upon denominator. Now the question related to the digits of a number is sum of 2-digit number and number obtained by reversing digit is 66. If the digits of number differ by 2, find number. अब देखिए उन्होंने क्या कहा, सम ऑफ 2-digit नंबर. कोई भी अगर 2-digit नंबर होती है, लाइक आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर 78. तो वी हैव लर्न्ड इफ आई वांट टू एक्सपैंड इट, व्हाट विल डू? 70 plus 8. That means this is ones place and this is tens place. So now what are they saying? Sum of 2-digit number. जो 2-digit number है, this is a 2-digit number. तो इसका सम किसके साथ? सम ऑफ 2-digit number and number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. If the digits मतलब ones place and tens place वाली digits differ by 2, so we have to find the number. Now see what we'll assume over here. Let the digit in tens and unit place be x and y. टेंस प्लेस में डिजिट क्या है? x एंड यूनिट प्लेस में क्या है? डिजिट y. यूनिट कहें या वंस प्लेस कहें, इट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग. अब इफ आई वांट टू राइट दिस x एंड y in expanded form, so how I'll write? This is tens place na, and this is ones place, or this is units place. If I want to write this in expanded form, so how will write it? 10x plus y, 10th प्लेस को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो दिस विल बी आवर नंबर. सो नंबर इज व्हाट? नंबर इज 10x plus y. नाउ ऑन रिवर्सिंग, ये हमने अज्यूम किया था कि डिजिट 10th प्लेस में x है एंड यूनिट प्लेस में y है. ऑन रिवर्सिंग दे टोल्ड ना, रिवर्सिंग का मतलब है कि 10th प्लेस में अब हो जाए y एंड 1st प्लेस में डिजिट इज x. So the reversed number will be what? Reversed number. 10 in 10th place it is y. So the number will be 10y plus x. अब उन्होंने कंडीशन देखिए, ये this is the basic concept which you have to do in each and every question. Now you have to read out the statement of the question what they have given. Now in this question what they have given, sum of किसका? ये 2 digit number and number obtained by reversing the digit. तो इन दोनों का अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, इन दोनों का सम 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is 66. तो we'll add it 10x and x, so we'll get 11x and 11y equals 66. 11 को हम कॉमन ले लेंगे, so x plus y will get what? 6. So this is equation number 1. अब सेकेंड कंडीशन क्या थी? इफ डिजिट्स ऑफ अ नंबर डिफर बाय 2, ये जो डिजिट्स हैं x एंड y दे डिफर बाय 2, मतलब इनका डिफरेंस 2 है. अब यहां पर इस कंडीशन में यू कैन राइट x माइनस वाई ऑल्सो 2 और यू कैन राइट y माइनस x ऑल्सो 2. नो प्रॉब्लम्स इन दैट बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन डिफरेंस. उन्होंने ये बताया ही नहीं है कि कौन सी प्लेस बड़ी है कौन सी छोटी है. दे हैव गिवन द डिफरेंस ऑफ द डिजिट इज 2. So I'll be taking over here is x minus y equals 2. But if you are taking this digit, so you'll get the same answer. So this is the second equation. Now solving first and second equation, we'll get x plus y is what? 6. X minus y is 2. Elimination method से solve करते हैं. Sign change करेंगे because coefficients are already same. तो ये minus हो जाएगा. 2y is 4, thus y की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 2 आ गई. Putting y is equals to 2 in equation number 1, so x plus 2 equals 6, thus x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 4. So हमारा नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? नंबर इज 10x plus y. तो 10x plus y मतलब 10 into 4 40 plus 2, that means number is 42. अब रिवर्स नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? 10y plus x, so it will be 20 plus 4, so the answer will be 24. So these are the numbers which we'll get. It may be 42 or 24. इन दोनों को प्लस करने में देखिए क्या आ रहा है? 66. So this is the verification. Basic concept is this. You have to keep this in your mind so you can solve any question of this type very easily. So the last question that is related to upstream and downstream is boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. So determine the speed of boat, speed of stream and that of boat in still water. देखिए speed of stream we'll find out and speed of boat. So we'll assume कि let the speed of stream and boat be x and y किलोमीटर पर आवर. देखिए अप स्ट्रीम दे आर सेइंग ना, जब हम अप स्ट्रीम व्हेन विल गो, तो अप स्ट्रीम में दोनों की स्पीड क्या हो जाती है? माइनस होंगी बिकॉज दे गोइंग अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी, x माइनस वाई. डाउन स्ट्रीम में दोनों साथ में नीचे होंगे, सो इसीलिए दोनों की स्पीड क्या हो जाती है? ऐड हो जाती है, x प्लस वाई. सो दिस इज अ मेन कॉन्सेप्ट व्हेन द क्वेश्चन कम्स ऑफ दिस वेराइटी. अगर आपको यहां तक बन गया देन एवरीथिंग इज इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड फॉर यू टू सॉल्व इट. अब हम आते हैं क्वेश्चन में अगेन. 30 किलोमीटर अप स्ट्रीम. सो अप स्ट्रीम में ये है स्पीड. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट? स्पीड. दिस इज डिस्टेंस. डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड इज व्हाट? टाइम. तो 30 किलोमीटर अप स्ट्रीम एंड 44 किलोमीटर डाउन स्ट्रीम कितने टाइम में हो रहा है, 10 आवर्स। ऑब्वियसली ये आ जाएगा 30/x-y। स्पीड ऑफ, अगर हम अप स्ट्रीम में टाइम निकालें कि अप स्ट्रीम जाने में कितना टाइम लगा, तो डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड। सिमिलरली डाउन स्ट्रीम में कितना टाइम लगा, 44/x+y, दिस इज व्हाट, 10 आवर्स। नाउ इन 13 आवर, यहां पर दे दिया ये 13 है, इन 13 आवर इट कैन गो 40 किलोमीटर अप स्ट्रीम, दैट मीन्स 40/x-y प्लस 55 किलोमीटर डाउन स्ट्रीम, 55/x+y। नाउ अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा ये किस मेथड से सॉल्व होगा। दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी सॉल्व बाय रिड्यूसिबल लीनियर इक्वेशन, क्योंकि x एंड y यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में आ गए। So now what we'll do, we'll assume x minus 8y to be a and we'll assume 1/x plus y to be b. 1/x minus y to be a and 1/x plus y to be b. Putting these values in equation 1 and 2, so we'll be getting over here 30a plus 44b equals 10. Similarly here 40a plus 55b equals 13. अब हम कोफिशिएंट सेम करेंगे a या b के, तो मैं यहाँ पर a के कोफिशिएंट सेम करती हूँ। सो हियर इट इज 30, सो आई विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 4. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3 एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 4. मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन नंबर 3 by 4 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 4 by 3, क्योंकि हमको 120 मिल जाएगा। तो व्हाट विल गेट ओवर हियर, 120a plus 4 into 44, that is 176b equal 40. 3 into 40, 120a plus 3 into 55 will be getting 165b. 3 into 13 will be getting 39. साइन चेंज करेंगे, 176 minus 165 will do, so we'll get 11b equals 1. So b is equals to 1/11. Putting this b equals 1/11 in equation number 3, we'll be putting b equal 1/11 in equation number 3, we'll be getting 30a plus 44 into 1/11 equal 10. 11 into 4, 44, so this will be 4. So 30a will be equal to 6. So a will be what? 1/5. This is how we have got the values of a and b over here. Now putting these values in this, what we have assumed, so we'll get the values of x and y. So we have assumed 1/x minus y to be a. A is what? 1/5. Thus we'll get x minus y is 5. And we have assumed b is 1/x plus y. So we'll get x plus y to be 11. ये मैंने डायरेक्टली कर दिया। देखिए will 1/x plus y equals 1/11. So we'll get x plus y equals 11. Now we'll solve this. So ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा। -2y equal -6. So y will be what? 3. Now putting this y in this equation only, that is fifth equation. Putting y equals 3 in equation 5th, so we'll get x minus 3 equal 5. Thus x is equals to 8 kilometer per hour and y is equals to 3 kilometer per hour. So this is how we have got the answer, that is speed of a stream and boat are 8 and 3 kilometer per hour. So now this chapter is completed, in which we have covered all the topics and major topics all are covered over here, in which the student feels difficulty. Hope you guys like this video and please do share it